Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best kids luggages that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kids Rolling Luggage with Wheels, Hard Shell. We love the Eltixon Kids Bag because of its lightweight design. It is among the most kids luggage and measures 12.4 inches long by 18.2 inches tall by 8.3 inches wide. This space is enough to hold school and travel items such as books, toys, clothes, and much more. At the same time, it reduces portability burdens to the little arms and fingers when pulling to desired locations. Another thing we take note of is the dual tube pull handle. You can adjust it and watch as the youngster grabs the top handle to ease lifting and pulling. It is made from sturdy material that can bear transit pressures and changing temperatures. Moreover, this unit has 4 wheels that move up to a 360-degree angle. They are multi-directional to make the motion smooth, no matter the surface type. Roll them on the tarmac, hardwood, or other grounds to enjoy a comfortable use. In addition, you can buy this accessory for a loved one to use as an overnight bag. It has a large design measuring 18 inches suitable for boys and toddlers. Constructed from ABS and PC materials, they have excellent, environmentally friendly elements. You don't have to worry about harmful chemicals that cause health issues to children. Moving on at number 4, we have the Unicorn Kids CarryOn Luggage Set with spinner wheels. This luggage with a lovely pink unicorn design is perfect for young girls. The color brightens up a place, whether the bedroom, outdoors and other locations. Also, it comes with 4 sturdy wheels that roll on any surfaces smoothly. Not only that, but also they move at a 360-degree angle to make the transmit more comfortable. Watch as your little one pulls and pushes with maximum ease for a sense of independence. Furthermore, this bag's extendable handle allows quick height adjustment to suit kids and parent different sizes. It is made of aluminum rods for easy grabbing and pulling for small hands. Measuring 18 inches long by 8 inches tall by 11.5 inches wide, the luggage size holds a variety of utilities. No way that the backpack has a different dimension of 13 inches long by 4.5 inches tall by 10 inches wide to add more storage room. What's more, this unit has a hard shell ABS plastic for simple maintenance and durability. Its cotton lining keeps the stored content free of scratches during mobility. This allows comfortable movement, perfect for weekend getaways, overnight stays, sleepovers, and other outdoor travels. The young ones can use it as a cool and secure school bag to store lunchboxes, books, and even stationery. At number 3, we have the Stephen Joseph Classic Rolling Luggage. The top-rated kids luggage should have quality construction, just like this one by Stephen Joseph. It is designed from polyester at the exterior to prevent quick wear and tear. Also, the material has a better appeal than the rest after extended use. Movement and control is a breeze thanks to the sturdy wheels. They work together with the exterior hardware to allow use in most outdoor places. It is perfect for camping, road trips, and many activities, no matter the ground surface. What's more, the zipper closure comes in handy to let you access valuables quickly. Even the little ones can keep and remove their treasures without assistance. An added advantage is the stylish design with colorful, exciting characters. They add a functional and fun element to any place suitable for indoor and home use. Not only that, but it also makes this bag stand out from the others for more attractiveness. Besides, it measures 14.5 inches long by 18 inches wide with a 6.5-inch height. This space accommodates kids' stuff, such as toys, during travels to make the journey more manageable. In addition, the accessible zipper pockets have glitter accents to complement most clothing styles. Also, you can keep different belongings at once for safekeeping during a trip. At number 2, we have the Kids Luggage Set, 12 inches backpack and 16 inches rolling suitcase. This is the perfect two-piece luggage set that gives you value for money. It has a 16-inch rolling suitcase and a 12-inch backpack. The smaller one holds medium small-sized content such as books and much. Note that both of these pieces are made from non-toxic ABC for added safety. Also, they have nylon and polycarbonate elements for better firmness and children's health safety. This unit is stylish and functional, ideal as an all-occasional gift. You can surprise your daughter or son on birthdays, Thanksgiving, or Christmas. In addition, the 4 spinner wheels improve mobility from one area to the other. Boasting of cute patterns, this carry-on set blends well with most kids' room style. You can let your young one mix and match the tone with favorite attires. At the same time, they gain a sense of responsibility and independence at a young age. They get to learn how to organize and pack items on their own for hands-on ability and responsibility. What's more, this product is ergonomically designed, featuring a telescopic locking handle. You can adjust the level to suit different kids' heights for them to pull with comfort. The widened shoulder strap minimizes pressures on the youngster's shoulders. Plus, the multi-use pockets hold a variety of stuff. And finally, at number 1, we have the Luggage Melbourne Expandable ABS Carry-On Luggage. Pick one of the 30 colors available of this luggage to let your child complement their style. For instance, pink, red, blue, black, and much more improve any room-setting look. At the same time, the placement area, whether indoors or outdoors, gets a pleasant appeal. This item comes with durable spinner wheels that move from one location to the other perfectly. Note that you can roll them in any direction, thanks to a 360-degree angle. Now your youngster can enjoy a sense of independence every time you go for a family trip. Moreover, this kids' luggage is made from safe ABS and polycarbonate materials. They work together to ensure you enjoy an extended use every time you pack your kids' essentials. Besides, its spacious interior can accommodate up to 38 liters of loads. This space is enough to hold clothes, magazines, toys, and much more all at once. Another thing is its lightweight structure to minimize portability fatigue. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.